Hello everyone, welcome back to the maths class. I hope you all are fine. Student, till question number 4 of exercise 3.7 we have done. Today we are going to start with question number 5. Now listen to question number 5. Determine the greatest 3-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. Student, this question is similar to question number 4. Only difference is that in question number 4 we have to find the smallest 3-digit number. But here we have to find the greatest 3-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. So, the number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12 must be their LCM. So, here first find the LCM. Let us find out the LCM of 8, 10 and 12. Question number 5. LCM of 8, 10 and 12. Draw a line like this and write 8, 10 and 12 together. Okay student, now divide by the prime numbers. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, so on. Now we will divide this number by 2. So write here 2, 2 for the 8, 2 5 the 10, 2 6 the 12. Again divide by 2. 2 to the 4, 5 is not divisible by 2, so write 5 as it is. Then 2 3 the 6. So 2 is divisible by 2? Yes. So we will divide by 2. So write here 2. 2 1 the 2. Write 5 and 3 as it is because 5 and 3 are not divisible by 2. Okay student. After 2, next prime number is 3. So we will divide by 3 because here is 3. So write here 3. 1 as it is. 5 is not divisible by 3. So write 5 as it is. Then 3 1 the 3. Now next prime number is 5. Now we will divide by 5. So write a 5. 1 as it is. 5 1 the 5. 1 as it is. Okay student. Now LCM is equal to product of all prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 the 24, 24 5 the 5 for the 20, 5 to 10, 10 plus 2 12. So LCM is equal to 120. Here we got LCM is equal to 120. But we want to find the greatest 3-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. Okay student. So we have to find the greatest 3-digit number. So 120 is the LCM here. LCM means least common multiple. Which means 120 is the smallest number which is divisible by 8, 10 and 12. But we have to find the greatest 3-digit number. To find the greatest 3-digit number, we will find the multiples of 120. So if 120 is divisible by 8, 10 and 12, it means its multiple will also be divisible by all these 3 numbers. So here we will find all the multiples of 120. Okay. So write multiples of 120. So 120 to the student just multiply 12 by 2. 1 0 is there. After that we will put 1 0. 12 to the 24 and 1 0 is there. Just put here 1 0 means 120 to the 240. Then 120 into 3. 12 3 the student 12 3 the 36. 1 0 is there. Just put 1 0. Then 124 the means 12 for the 48. Then put 1 0 here. Then 120 into 5. 12 5 the 60 and put this 0 here. Then 126 the 12 6 the 72. Just put 1 0 here because we are multiplying 120 by 6. Okay student. Now 120 into 7. Okay student. 12 7 the 84. Right here 0. Then 128 the 12 8 the 96. Put here 1 0. Okay. 129 the 12 9 the, yes student, 108, and put 10 here. Okay student, here you can see 129 the 1080, but 1080 is the 4-digit number. Here we need to find the greatest 3-digit number. So greatest 3-digit number is 960. Okay, so we can see here 960 is the greatest 3-digit number. Okay, so required number is 960. So right here, hence the required number is equal to 960. Okay, so 960 is also divisible by 8, 10 and 12. I hope question number 5 is clear to everyone. Okay, now let's move on to question number 6. The traffic lights at the 3 different road crossings change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7 a.m., at what time will they change simultaneously again? Student, what do you mean by simultaneously? Simultaneously means at the same time. Simultaneously means at the same time. So, if they change simultaneously at 7 a.m., at what time will they change simultaneously again? So, student, here we have to find the common time. So, here we will find out the LCM of 48, 72 and 108. Okay. So, let us find out the LCM of 48, 72 and 108. You know how to find the LCM? Yes. So, draw a line like this and write 48, 72 and 108 together. Here we will find LCM by prime factorization method. Okay. So, we will start with 2. So, write here 2. 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8. Then 72 divided by 2, you will get 36. Okay. 2 3 the 6. 2 6 the 12. When you divide 108 by 2, you will get 54. 2 5 the 10, 2 4 the 8. Now again divide by 2. 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4. 2 1 the 2, 2 8 the 16. 2 to the 4, 2 7 the 14. Okay, now again divided by 2. 2 6 the 12. 2 9 the 18. 27 is not divided by 2, so write 27 as it is. Okay, now 6 is again divisible by 2, so we divide by 2. 2 3 the 6. 9 and 27 write as it is, because 9 and 27 are not divisible by 2. Now divide by next prime number, which is 3. So write a 3. 3 1 the 3. 3 3 the 9. 3 9 the 27. Now again divided by 3. Write 1 as it is. 3 1 the 3. 3 3 the 9. So write a 3 1 1 3 1 the 3. Now LCM is equal to, yes, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, student, 3 3 the 9. 9 3 the 27. Okay, 2 to the 4. So multiply by 4. 7 4 the 28. 4 to the 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Again 2 to the 4. So multiply by 4. 4 8 the 32. 4 0 0. 0 plus 3 3. 4 1 the 4. When you multiply this number, you will get 432. Okay, so write here seconds also. Okay, so student, let us convert into minutes. Now we get the answer in seconds. Okay, so let us convert into minutes. We know that 1 minute is equal to, yes, 60 seconds. So 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 minutes. So let us divide 432 seconds by 60 minutes. So can you divide by 60? Yes. Okay. Now see, 67 the 420. Now 2 minus 0, 2, 3 minus 2, 1, 4 minus 4, 0. Okay student, this 7 is minute here and this 12 is second here. So 432 seconds is equal to 7 minutes 12 seconds. So I hope question number 6 is clear to everyone. Now let's move on to question number 7. 3 tankers contain 403 liters, 434 liters and 465 liters of diesel respectively. Find the maximum capacity of a container that can measure the diesel of the 3 containers exact number of times. So what is given here? 3 tankers contain this liter and this liter of diesels respectively. Now here we have to find the maximum capacity of container that can measure the diesel of the 3 containers exact number of time. So student, clearly the maximum capacity of the container is the SCF of 403, 434 and 465 in liters. The word maximum means we have to find the SCF of the given numbers. You know how to find the SCF? Okay student, you can find the SCF of this number yourself. This is the homework. Okay, now see question number 8. Find the least number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 leave remainder 5 in each case. Student, what is question number 8? Here we have to find the least number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 leave remainder 5 in each case. So student, see here words least. Whenever least, minimum and lowest such words are given in the question, we have to find out the LCM. You have to keep this point in your mind. When the word least, minimum, lowest such type of words are given in the question, means we have to find the LCM. So here firstly we will find the LCM of 6, 15 and 18. Okay. LCM of 6, 15 and 18. Now let us find out the LCM. 6, 15 and 18. So write it through. 2 3 the 6. Write 15 as it is. 2 9 the 18. Okay. Now write here 3. 3 1 the 3. 3 5 the 15. 3 3 the 9. Then write it 3. 1 as it is. 5 as it is. 3 1 the 3. Now write here 5. 1. 5 1 the 5. 1. Now LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So 2 3 the 6, 6 3 the 18, 18 5 the 5 8 the 40, 5 1 the 5, 5 plus 4 90. Means LCM is equal to 90. So student, 90 is exactly divisible by 6, 15 and 18. Okay, 90 is exactly divisible by 6, 15 and 18. But we require a number. See, but we require a number which leaves remainder 5 in each case when divided by 6, 15 and 18. So here we will add 5 in the LCM. Okay. So right here, required number is equal to, we will add 5 in the LCM. LCM is 90. 90 plus 5 is equal to 95. Okay, so 95 is our answer. You can verify also, if you divide 95 by 6, you will get remainder 5. See here. (95) divided by 6. See, 6 1 the 6. 9 minus 6, yes, 3. Write here 5 as it is. Then 6 5 the 30. You can see here 35 minus 35. Here we have remainder 5. So you can verify also, when you divide 95 by this number, you will get remainder 5. So what we have to do here, when we get the LCM, we will add 5 in the LCM. You get the required number. So I hope today's topic is clear to everyone. Thank you. Have a great day.